Uh, in my opinion, the role of organizations as Media Development Center and other association of journalists is to organize regular courses for new coming journalists and old ones also. Because this was done during the transition period in Bulgaria during the 90s, but however, somehow it stopped. And I think this process should be permanent because some journalists leave, new come. And what we see now is that the journalism became only business, unfortunately, in Bulgaria, because most of the media, televisions, print media, even the online media, they work as based on business model. I agree with this. They somehow they have to ensure their sustainability, but they have to understand that the journalism is really sensitive issue because you are building relations or you are breaking relations. You are building bridges or you are demolishing bridges. Unfortunately, as we can see from the data, in most of the cases, the journalists and the media demolish the bridges and doesn't help the communication between different part of the society, like ethnic minorities, majority, gay minorities, LGBT minorities. Uh, so there are different type of minorities, but the media, as a mediator, do not help this communication to be improved. Even she is doing the opposite thing. The situation is getting worse, especially with the refugees in Bulgaria. Last year we had serious issues where principals of schools, mayors of villages do not allow the refugees or migrants to enter their villages or to their children to start at school where the children of the other people are going. This is, I think, a kind of media effect that we achieve through different articles and by sitting in our offices. I know this is the more comfortable by sitting and analyzing the things, but the real journalism is actually going there, having the personal story of the person. Of course, I'm not saying that all these persons are great. Of course, there are some dangerous people between them, but we have to take the personal stories because the personal stories are the real stories. Then generalizing through one story. And regarding the representation of minority voices in the media, here I may say for the Roma case that in many cases when they speak about education, labor market, non-discrimination, they do not invite the speakers or they don't look, generally the media do not look, in most of the cases, do not look for opinion of expert or person who is, how to say, more reliable. They go to the first neighborhood and they started interviewing the people, But for instance, when we speak about judicial reform, about healthcare reform in Bulgaria, they are asking the opinion of the experts, of the people that are really aware on the topic, yeah? But they don't ask ordinary people in one village of Bulgaria to to say what they think about judicial reform. Of course, this is not serious when we speak about judicial reform, but it is fine when we speak about Roma education. Let's say to ask illiterate Roma what he thinks about education.